Alright, I've got 5 minutes to tell you about ways I need to do things in order to improve my channel, and these are tips that you can use as well. So let's do this. It's going to be quick. Funny enough, Bard took this from when I was on Creator Ups and Downs, Creator Ups and Downs with Tech Troublemaker on the stream show. So it's funny to me. But anyway, alright, let's see what happens. I have 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Alright, first, be consistent. So you should upload videos regularly and stick to a schedule so people know when you're going to be on. This will help build an audience and keep them engaged. So like you were expecting me Tuesday night, and then I had to change up. Create high quality content. Make sure your videos are well produced and informative. Invest in good equipment. I know we all start off on one set of equipment and we eventually get to upgrade to good stuff, and then invest in editing software. There's some free stuff that works pretty good though. DaVinci Resolve, for example. Promote your videos. So share your videos on social media and other platforms. Use relevant keywords and hashtags to help people find your videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions. This will help you build a community around your channel. Be patient. It takes time to grow a successful YouTube channel. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight, because this is a marathon, babe. This is a marathon. Have fun. If you are not enjoying yourself, people are going to know you are not having fun. And I'm still having fun, so this is a fun time. Make sure you're passionate about the content you're creating. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to become a YouTuber overnight. Actually, as soon as you hit record and you put it on YouTube, you are a YouTuber. You just may not be an overnight success. Set small, achievable goals and work your way up. Learn from other YouTubers. Watch videos from successful YouTubers, ones that you want to emulate, and see what they're doing right. Don't give up. That's huge. Don't give up. Keep creating content. Keep promoting your channel, and eventually you will see results. And here's some more tips. Be kind to yourself. Don't expect to be perfect. Don't get discouraged by your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone does. Just learn from them and keep going forward. If you did everything perfect, you wouldn't know what to correct. So you need mistakes so you learn from it. It makes you more interesting too. Give yourself grace. Just do your best. Be proud of yourself of what you've accomplished. Every time I get a subscriber, I'm so excited. Every time people watch my videos, I'm so excited. It's amazing. Modify your self-talk. So talk to yourself the way you would talk to a friend. So I try to talk to the camera just like you and I are talking, because I know you're out there and you're watching, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I just want you to know I love this conversation that we have. Focus on your next video. Don't get caught up in the past. Just focus on creating the best video you can when you upload. That last video might not have been amazing, but keep trying. Just keep trying. Be authentic. Man, people can smell fake a mile away. Just be yourself. Let your personality shine through your videos. Connect with other creators. So, man, I love when I have other creators on the show because they're so amazing. I learn so much from them. I love the interaction. I hope you get a benefit from that, because I've had some amazing people on here. Use social media. So you promote your channel on social media. It's a great way to reach a wider audience. Use relevant, there's some redundancy here. Use relevant keywords and hashtags. That way people find your videos by searching. Run contests and giveaways. So this is a great way to generate excitement and engagement with your channel. The problem is though, sometimes you'll get people who will subscribe to win a contest and then they go away. So there's a little hesitancy there. Collaborate with a YouTuber. So I've definitely done that. Use a call to action. So I'm supposed to tell you, hey, be sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you do. I'll put a button up that says subscribe here in a little bit. Promote your video on other platforms. So I do Facebook and Twitch, Twitter, X, whatever you want to call them. So this week, Instagram. Use an amazing thumbnail. You want it to be eye-catching. You want it to be relevant to your video. You don't want to be clickbaity unless you're going to deliver. Write a fantastic description, so your description be informative and engaging. Use end screens and cards. We talked about that on here. I've had videos about it. Use annotations. Annotations are a great way to add additional video to your information to your videos. I do like to put that kind of stuff. Use closed captions. So definitely, a lot of people watch your videos on their mobile device, and so they don't even listen to the audio. So you need those captions for that. But also anybody that may be hearing impaired, it helps them. Have a good microphone. People will watch a bad video if it has good audio. Use good lighting. Use a good camera. Edit your videos. Use music and sound effects. 14 seconds. Use a good intro and outro. So basically, you got to do the hook right there. And just keep doing it, man. Just keep doing it. And I think my time is up. that's it, y'all. 5 minutes. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.